Hey, everybody. All right, I need your help. All of you nature lovers, and especially all of you bird experts, please comment at the end of this video because I really would like your opinions and some answers on what's going on here. Background information, real quick. For my next video, I'm trying to film the birth of some fawns on this little island that's located on our pond. And what you're looking at right here is a pregnant doe, and she's being harassed by this red-winged blackbird. At first, I thought the blackbird might be picking ticks off of her face, but then, as you see right there, there's another bird below her. So, are the birds being territorial? Is she stepping on a nest? I'd love to hear your opinions on what's going on. So, please share that at the end of this video. And thank you so much for watching.